Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we will be reviewing these tablets Unienzyme. It is a product of Torrent Pharma as mentioned here. The composition is seen here and these are 15 tablets at the cost of approximately 78 rupees as seen here. So these tablets are basically used for the digestive problems in case you are having bloating, belching, flatulence, stomach discomfort or anything related to digestion. These tablets provide quite comfort. They contain fungal diastase, papain and activated charcoal. These all combinations are good for the human being's digestive system. But in case, as I always say, if your symptoms linger, do not hesitate or linger down to consult a doctor, because your right medicine and your duration of that medicine will be decided by the doctor only. So do not consume any medicine on your own. It's always better to consult a doctor to have more reviews on medicine, just to have an idea. Stay connected to my channel and consider subscribing. See you in next video. Thank you.